Hello everyone. You want to upgrade your laptop RAM or replace the disk drive, or you want to replace the battery pack, or you want to clean the CPU fan, so this video will be helpful for you. Join to Daily IT, and in this video we are going to disassemble HP laptop 15 series Core i5. Alright, at the first we remove the rubber stands and then open all the screws of the back of the laptop. Here in Daily IT, we always try to show the common IT matters in a simple way to be useful for beginners, professional or home user. If you are a home user, you can do your IT work by yourself, just by following our videos and tutorials. And here we start to release the locks of the cover of the laptop from all three sides, and do this carefully to not break and not too much pressure. Two sides we have to take care and carefully release the locks. One is this side of the the Ethernet connector wire, and the other corner side. Just maybe here this is a battery pack, and then you can see here the RAM sticks. If you want to upgrade your RAM or add more sticks, so you can do it here. And we open here the battery. This is a battery pack. If you want to replace your battery, this could be helpful for you, this video. Here you can see the Wi-Fi chip. This is a Wi-Fi, and this wire, white one, is antenna. Just carefully attach the wire to the Wi-Fi card. It is a small pin is there. We tighten it again back. And then here is the hard disk drive of the laptop. And the purpose of this video, we want to upgrade and replace the hard disk. So here we detach the hard disk and replace it with the SSD hard disk. Let's clean the CPU fan and remove any dust is there, so cooling will be very well. And then here we tight the screw of battery and and be sure to the battery connector is properly connected. That's it, very simply and easy. Please subscribe our channel if you found the video useful. Thank you for being with MydailyiT Channel.